ప్రోగ్రామ్ మాత్రం ఇంగ్లీష్ అండి. మేము ఫర్దర్ గా నాన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లెక్చరర్స్ కి కూడా ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఇంగ్లీష్ లెక్చరర్స్
program will be to the all lecturers who are in all universities and degree colleges. It will be useful to the
only degree colleges.
అంటే మేము కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ మీద ఫోకస్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో మన పిల్లలు ఎట్లా ఫేస్ చేయాలి, ఇంగ్లీష్ బేస్ కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్.
We are having lack of communication to the subject is also.
Exactly.
That's what I'm asking.
But also these JKC centers, they're already in place.
Yes, sir, yes.
So I think they really want to take advantage of the JKC centers because it's a great resource already and it's very successful. So they're trying to make it even better by giving the English lecturers more training on how to use the JKC.
Future, what we feel is you have to join all subject lecturers also into your group. That's why I'm asking.
So the next phase will be for
You have to look up to that.
non-English.
Yes.
It's true. You can use these techniques for any subject, I think.
For that matter.
Yeah.
13 subjects to decide. Projects.
This is one completely job-oriented program to the students. How you are going to learn to the student. This is the main mission of your program.
But I have to say, I am an English teacher. That's my background. So always, this is my specialty, a language teacher, how to teach languages. So I mean, that's one reason also that the focus now is on the English lectures, because I'm an English language specialist. Now that's my job title.
Especially in the rural areas only, we like degree colleges, rural children are more compared to. So they are afraid of English language compared to other subjects. So that's why Commissioner is taking more interest in English teachers, because once the English teacher is improved and once the English teacher is efficient enough, automatically they can have their own they can in JKC, Java Knowledge Center is a prestigious program. So what has been undertaken by the Commissioner exclusively
Everything is in place, lunches, teachers, everything is perfect.
How do you feel about this?
ఎవరో మాట్లాడేది ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు మా సమస్యను అభివృద్ధి చేస్తే మీరు రాష్ట్రం పోవచ్చు వైద్యుకి
నుంచి వాళ్ళు ట్రైనింగ్ చేయబడినటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతుందో అది కూడా అడగండి.
ఫస్ట్ సర్టెన్ ఈపీసీస్ అడుగుతున్నారు, అది చెప్పిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
అంటే మనం నాలెడ్జ్ మిషన్లో టార్గెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 2022కి ఏం చేయాలి, 2029కి ఏం చేయాలి. తర్వాత ఏపీ అనేది ఆల్ ఇండియాలో నెంబర్ 1 స్టేట్ అవ్వాలని ఒక విషయం ఉంది. దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ అండ్ ఫోర్మోస్ట్ ఏంటంటే హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో గ్రాస్ ఎన్రోల్మెంట్ రేషియో కష్టం. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకి యాక్చువల్గా హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అంటే డిగ్రీ స్థాయి మనకి కేవలం 20% మాత్రమే చదువుతున్నాం కొత్తగా అవుతున్నాం. దాన్ని మనం 2022 కల్లా 30% చేయాలి, 29 కల్లా 50% చేయాలి. 50% అంటే యూనివర్సల్ హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఆల్రెడీ మన ప్రైమరీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ యూనివర్సల్ అయిందండి. మాధ్యమిక అనేది ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కోర్స్ కూడా యూనివర్సల్ అవ్వడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ అక్కడేమో 90% దాటితే యూనివర్సల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఉంది అక్కడ ప్రైమరీలో. మనకి హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో 50% దాటితే చాలా యూనివర్సల్ హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఫోకస్ దాని నుంచి ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నాం బోత్ ఆర్జినల్ వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పెన్షన్. అంటే +2 తర్వాత డ్రాప్ అవుట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఆ డ్రాప్ అవుట్స్ మనం తగ్గించేసి 50% జిఆర్ హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ తీసుకోవడం వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫోకస్ ఏరియా కాన్సెప్షన్. దానికి అనుబంధంగా ఎందుకని మనం ఎలా చేయగలమంటే ఎంప్లాయబిలిటీ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. చాలామంది ఎందుకు చదవలేదంటే చదివిన తర్వాత కూడా ఉద్యోగాలు రావని ఒక నమ్మకం. సో మనం దాన్ని ఎంప్లాయబిలిటీ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. దానికి ఏం చేస్తామో ఇండస్ట్రీ లింకప్ అవుతుంది. ఇండస్ట్రీ లింకప్ అనేది కూడా పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇండస్ట్రీ లింకప్ అనేది ఇప్పుడు మీరు అలాగే ఇంగ్లీష్లో మనం ఇస్తున్నాం. అలాగే సబ్జెక్ట్ వైజ్ రేపు సిబిసిఎస్ సిబిసిఎస్ కూడా ఒక ఎడ్యూ పాయింట్. ఆ సిబిఎస్లో వాయిస్ తీసుకుని ఒక్కొక్క సబ్జెక్ట్లో కూడా స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ చేస్తాం. అంటే యాక్చువల్గా నాలెడ్జ్ మిషన్ అండ్ స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ మిషన్ అనేది ఒక పార్ట్. దాన్ని 2 డివైడ్ చేస్తారు. ఒక వింగ్ వచ్చేసి స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ చేస్తుంది, ఒక వింగ్ వచ్చేసి నాలెడ్జ్ డెవలప్ చేస్తుంది. సో నాలెడ్జ్ బేస్ మీద మనం స్కిల్ ఇస్తాం. అప్పుడేమవుతుందంటే అప్లైబిలిటీ పెరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి ఈ స్కిల్ పీపుల్ అంతా కూడా రకరకాల ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ తెచ్చుకోవడం. దీన్ని మనం కొన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ పెడుతున్నాం. అంటే గ్యాప్ ఇయర్ ఇంతకుముందు ఏం చేస్తారు కంటిన్యూస్గా చదువుకుంటూ పోతున్నారు వాడు. కానీ మనం ట్రై చేసే ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఇంకా పెట్టుకుని 1 year వాడు గ్యాప్ తీసుకోండి, కానీ 2 years గ్యాప్ తీసుకొచ్చి వాడు ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ ట్రైనింగ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ చదవచ్చు. అది గ్యాప్ ఇయర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది ఓపెన్ ఈపీ సిబిసిఎస్ అనేది మూవ్స్ అంటే మాసివ్ ఓపెన్ ఆన్లైన్ కోర్సెస్. దాని కూడా మనం అంటే అది ఫ్రీగా ఆన్లైన్ కోర్సెస్ చాలా అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక ఎస్టీ టీచర్ లేదా ఎస్టీ స్టూడెంట్ వేరే కంప్యూటర్స్లో ఒక సర్టిఫికేట్ తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. అలా తెచ్చుకోవడం అంటే వాళ్ళు సిబిసిఎస్ అంటే గ్రేడ్ బేసిక్ చాయిసెస్ దాంట్లో ఎక్స్ట్రా క్రెడిట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఎక్స్ట్రా క్రెడిట్స్ వస్తుంది వల్ల ఏంటంటే ఫారిన్ కంట్రీస్లో కూడా అప్లైబిలిటీ ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బేసికల్గా మనకి సిబిఎస్లో 120 క్రెడిట్స్ ఇస్తాం, కానీ మూక్స్ ద్వారా కానీ అదర్ స్కిల్ ఆప్షన్ ద్వారా కానీ వాళ్ళు 140 క్రెడిట్స్ ఇస్తుంటే ఈజ్ ఈక్వలెంట్ టు లేదా ఎలిజిబుల్ టు డూ జాబ్స్ ఇన్ ఫారిన్ కంట్రీస్. సో అదొక ఆప్షన్ ఇస్తాం. అలా మనకి మొత్తం 13 ఇంటర్వ్యూ పాయింట్ డిజైన్ చేసి 2022-2029 కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి మిషన్ మోడ్లో వర్క్ చేస్తాం. ఇది నా యొక్క సమస్య. దాంతో పాటు అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫారిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీషు మనకు ఒక అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉంది. అంటే మీరు సింగపూర్, మలేషియా, దుబాయ్ చూసినట్లయితే వాళ్ళకి ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఎంత ప్రవేశం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళకి ప్రైమరీ స్టేజ్లో ఇంగ్లీష్ లేదు, వేరే మనకి ప్రైమరీ స్టేజ్ నుంచి కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉంది. కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో మనకి అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎంప్లాయబిలిటీ ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. సో ఒక టార్గెట్ అంటే మనం ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే ఒక యావరేజ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో కానీ ఇండియాలో కానీ యావరేజ్ ఏజ్ వచ్చేసి 29 years. అంటే మన గ్రోయింగ్ పాపులేషన్ లేకపోతే మొత్తం వరల్డ్ అంతా కూడా మన దగ్గర నుంచే సఫర్ చేయాలి. అంటే మ్యాన్ పవర్ అనేది ఇండియా నుంచి వస్తుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బేసిక్ డివిడెండ్ అనమాట, పాపులేషన్ డివిడెండ్. దాన్ని బేసిస్ మనం వర్క్ చేస్తాం. డెఫినెట్గా 29కి ఇండియాలో వర్క్ అవుతుంది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇండియాలో వర్క్, వరల్డ్లోనే ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టేట్గా మనం ఉండడానికి అవకాశం. ఈ మిషన్ మోడ్ మీద 4 మిషన్ వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. దాంట్లో కూడా బాంబు వాడుతుంది. అదే అలా చెప్పింది ఎన్ని కలిపే చెప్పాను. అంటే జిఆర్ అంటే ఒకటి, జిఆర్ అంటే గ్రాస్ ఎన్రోల్మెంటేషన్, అంటే హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో ఎన్రోల్మెంట్ పెంచాలి. మనం కేవలం 20% మాత్రమే గ్రాడ్యుయేట్స్ అవుతున్నారు, ఇప్పుడు 50% దాటించాలి. అది మిగతా
ప్రైమరీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో మన పర్సెంటేజ్ చూస్తే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 99 రీచ్ అయిపోయింది. సో హైయర్కి వచ్చేసరికి 20%.
మెటీరియల్ ఉంది, తీసుకోండి. జిరాక్స్ చేసి పెట్టుకుంటే తీసుకుంటే ఫోటో కాపీ పాయింట్స్ ఎన్ని దాంట్లో కవర్ అయిపోయింది. హేమ మరియు మన ఆనంద్ నాయుడు గారు మన కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ ఉన్నారు. విమలా మేడము చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ తీసుకొని మన ఎస్వి యూనివర్సిటీకి ప్రోగ్రామ్ అలాట్ చేసింది. కాబట్టి బిషప్ సార్కి, విమలా మేడంకి, వీళ్ళకందరికీ ఎస్వి యూనివర్సిటీ తరఫున నా తరఫున కృతజ్ఞతలు చెప్తున్నాను. ఇటువంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫ్యూచర్లో కూడా మన ఎస్వి యూనివర్సిటీ చాలా వచ్చేదానికి ఆస్కారం ఉందని మేడం గారు చెప్పారు. కాబట్టి దీనివల్ల స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసింది. లాంగ్వేజ్ ట్రైనింగ్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ స్టూడెంట్ల ఎంప్లాయబిలిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఆటోమేటిక్గా అందరూ బెనిఫిట్స్ ఉంటారు. కాబట్టి కంటిన్యూస్గా మంత్లీ 2-3 ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఇటువంటి ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయాలని చెప్పి మేడం కోరుచున్నాను. ఫండింగ్ వాళ్ళే కదా, ఫండింగ్ ఉంటే మనం చేయగలుగుతాం. ఫండింగ్ లేదు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఫండింగ్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. కాబట్టి కాలేజ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి నా తరఫున, ఎస్వి యూనివర్సిటీ తరఫున కృతజ్ఞతలు. మా సిస్టమేటిక్గా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తీసుకున్నా కానీ మనం వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ మనం కండక్ట్ చేసినాము. విత్ ఇన్ 1 dayలో ప్రోగ్రామ్ 100 డేట్ ఇస్తే చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ చేసినామని ఆల్ వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్స్ కూడా అప్రిషియేట్ చేశారు. కాబట్టి మనం ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయినా ఆర్గనైజ్ చేసే కెపాసిటీ ఎస్వి యూనివర్సిటీ. కాబట్టి ఫ్యూచర్లో కూడా ఇటువంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని ఎస్వి యూనివర్సిటీ గారిని కల్టివేట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇంకేమైనా కావాలి?
యూనివర్సిటీ లెవెల్లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడానికి కాలేజెస్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు కాలేజెస్, డిగ్రీ కాలేజెస్ వాళ్ళ కోసం చేస్తారు.
జపాన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అది 1 month స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. లాంగ్వేజ్ లెర్నింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కింద హైవేషన్ ద్వారా జపాన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లెర్నింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కానీ ఇటువంటి వాళ్ళ స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్కి అమౌంట్ ఏదో ఆల్రెడీ శాంక్షన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇంకా ఇంటిమేషన్ రాలేదు మనకి. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ని కూడా విత్ ఇన్ షార్ట్ పీరియడ్ మనం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. భరోసా కింద మనకి అమౌంట్ శాంక్షన్ అయింది స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కింద. అది నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయాలని, అదే ఆగస్ట్, జూలై అయిపోయింది ఈరోజు లాస్ట్ డేట్ కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తాం.
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చెప్పండి మేడం, ట్రైనింగ్ మేడం వాళ్ళు ట్రైనింగ్ చేయాలి.
Good evening everyone. This is Dr. Pankaj, working as a lecturer in Government Degree College, Sri Kalavasti. I'm so happy to be a part of this 3-day workshop. And in fact, let me say frankly that in the, like I got my recruitment, I got my entry into government sector only in the year 2013. So before stepping into government sector, I was with so many false notions that in government sector there wasn't any monitoring, no development at all, and I was rather scared that I am going to lose all my skill after stepping into government sector, because earlier I was with engineering sector. So then, you know, from the day one I stepped into this sector, I am finding a lot of work that has been chalked out by the Commissionerate of Collegiate Education, and we are highly thankful to the Commissionerate, and especially the credit goes to the academic wing, academic cell, which is exclusively monitoring different kinds of activities, not only ELF. ELF is a part of that, and efficient lecturers from different colleges have been acted for the academic cell. They have been nominated as members of academic cell. So one such academic dynamic officer is Vimala ma'am, the other one Sir Anil sir. All these people, they are working, they are looking after different aspects. So one program that exclusively meant for English language teachers is in ELF programs. See, my career with government sector is only for 2.5 years. In these 2.5 years, I have attended nearly 4 ELF training programs. It's unbelievable that government of collegiate education is investing lots of amount on this, on the development of English lecturers. Why particularly, as you know pretty well, that we are living in a global village. In fact, this is the globalized era, and the students need English language skills. So unless they project themselves with good effective communication skills in English, they can't prove themselves. They can't get or they can't realize the dreams. So that's why only I hope so that Commissionerate of Collegiate Education is focusing more on English lecturer. I don't think that they are neglecting the other wings, but they too are working out the program. As in the inauguration, our academic guidance officer has cleared it out. Like he has announced that they are planning such kind of programs for the non-English teachers too. So, and we are lucky that we are getting efficient trainers, like sponsored to us by US Embassy. Like already we were trained by Spencer Fellas, and this is almost like a wonderful experience for me, working with George Bishop Jr. from the J1. See, by the time we had stepped in here, it was not in order. One thing that I have learned from George Bishop Jr., very first and foremost thing is dignity of labor. He himself has come, like entered the room, and he started working along with us in clearing all the benches, you don't believe. And he has, so that was a wonderful thing, sir.
That's an example how a teacher should be.
We'll be having some dominated mentality, but I didn't notice it anywhere with you. You are so learner friendly, and I think like we are blessed to be a part of this 3-day workshop. We have learned so many activities which we can implement for the effective running of JKC and English classroom. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you so much, Mr. George Bishop Jr.
Very well.
So happy. Now,
Sir,
Vishnu.
yes, sir. You know, it is a technological era where we want, where we have multinational companies here coming over from all over the countries, and we have to develop communication skills. You know, most of our students in our college, the government especially, they are from rural sectors, and they are very poor in English. So, after learning from him, George Bush, and he developed so passion, persuasion, and patience as a teacher. We too want to develop like that. So for that purpose, he is very much invited. And by this training, we got really benefited. And when we go to our colleges, already we have JKCs. Even in normal classes also, we would like to exploit these techniques. That I would like to say that. For that, really, we are grateful to CCA for sponsoring this program. And we are really happy because certain things, you know, all the time we are in colleges teaching. But now and then we must have some refresher courses. And by that, we have to refresh our memories and how we have to teach and how to pronounce. This is most important. pronunciation should we have to develop in all companies when you go for interviews. If we pronounce in a different way, they can't understand. That we will see that night time we have to contact with the clients, foreign currency. Only this kind of people can develop this kind of attitude. That is called communicative attitude. So that we have developed it for the past 3 days. Really, our ma'am, the madam really almost gave very good hospitality reception, and we all really grateful to her, and especially our model teacher, George Bishop.
Thank you.
Sir, for helping us, and also of course our staff members, Vishnu, Pankaja, and other staff members. They were all very kind enough to help us in organizing this program outside our hometown, not in Hyderabad, but
But quite only here.
That's
Quite.
thank you very much.
You got a very good
I take this opportunity.
Next, I would like to invite Professor M. Devaraju, Registrar SBU Tirupati, to please come out on the dais. I request T. Narayana, Lecturer in English, GDC Bank, Anantapur, to honor him with bouquet. Education, to please come out to the dais. Thank you, madam. I request P. Subbarajarma, Lecturer in English, KVR GDC, Karnool, to please honor her with bouquet. Administrator of College Education, to please come out to the dais. Thank you, sir. I request Shanti Sridevi, Madam, Lecturer in English, GDC for Men, Guntur, to honor her with bouquet. Thank you, madam. Men, Karnool, to please present a brief report on the 3-day workshop.
Learned colleagues, friends, print media, a very good evening to you all. It's my privilege to present a brief report of the 3-day workshop, 3-day teaching workshop in CLT and employability skills, organized by the Commissionerate of Collegiate Education, Hyderabad. At the outset, I really, on behalf of all my friends and English lecturers here, I congratulate the effort of the CCE for planning a workshop like this, and with a very short notice this has been communicated to all the colleges, and on a ball footing the principals relieved us and we made it convenient to reach the venue, and really this workshop, this 3-day workshop, we enjoyed like anything. We felt that we are once again groomed in our teaching methodologies. I have taken this training twice, one at Indira Priyadarshini, Hyderabad, and one at MHRDC by master trainers for the second time, and first time by Joe Dwyer. And I felt that I have already taken this training twice, and once again I have got this opportunity. And after coming out here, I felt that this is really a wonderful opportunity that I got, and we got, I can say, and the activities that we have participated in these 3 days, they are really very, very student-centric. And as our specialist trainer, George Bishop, was telling, what all you have learned here, will you just do it and go according as you feel? And these things will come true when you actually participate and involve your students. And sir, on behalf of all my friends here, I assure you that we are not going to this, but we are going to receive this from our students, and that in turn will go to you, because the things, the patience, the perseverance, the care and concern that you have showered on us, we are really indebted to you, sir. And I assure you that we are going to practice, if not to that extent, to our level best, to implement all these strategies, especially few strategies, TPS technique, board share, pair work, group work, and on employability skills, I can say that this session was really interactive. And though we are experienced teachers, the way this teacher involved us made us again students. Once again, we were again. I mean, we went back to our school days, college days. I can say, these friends. I can say that the credit goes to the teacher. If the teacher is enthusiastic, active, patient, we can do wonders with our students. And no doubt, we have our own problems, like large classes, and our students are first generation learners from rural background. All these things we have. In spite of all these things, we did here, and the same thing we have to practice with our students. And these techniques are definitely, from my side, I can say that each and everything that you have given here, no doubt a handbook was supplied to us, but apart from that, I have made a note of each and everything. And those day 1, day 2, day 3 review is displayed on the blackboard on the charts here. And we will definitely implement all these techniques in our classes. In our JKC classes, as our trainer was repeatedly insisting on JKC classes, because it is in JKC, he feels that JKC is the best platform where the number of students will be less. And definitely, sir, we will also try in our general English classes and also JKC classes, and we'll assure you that we will try our level best. And one thing for my friends here, no doubt we have large classes, I agree, and everyone here agrees, but we cannot change the direction of the wind. We have to adjust our sail. And I also feel that a smooth sea will not make a skillful navigator. A smooth sea will not make a skillful navigator. When there are ups and downs, the talent of the navigator comes out. And here we have to become talented navigators as teachers, and we have to try our best to involve our students by adopting all these techniques that we have learned. And I feel that this is not the exhaustive. If you are really serious, we can do wonders with our students. I once again thank the CCE, the officers here, the friends, and everyone for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
So you are asked to give a brief report. May I now request Professor M. Devaraju, Registered SV University Tirupati, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am very much happy to see that everyone who were nominated has attended the program and made this program a grand success. In this fast-moving, competitive world, these type of skill-based training programs will create awareness on the ongoing topics and make ourselves update, which will helpful for future decisions and to take up right path. The Department of Commissionerate of College Education has taken decisions to introduce this training program for the benefit of English teachers. I hope the skill-based training program have shown the new path for the development of your individual skills and to pass on the same to the next generation for developing their employability. I should thank George Bishop, Senior English Language Specialist, for providing his experience for this workshop. I shall also thank to Dr. R. David Kumar, Academic Guidance Officer, Smith Vimala Road, Academic Officer, the coordinates Anand Naidu and Hema and others for their unblemished work in making the arrangements for successful conduct of 3-day workshop. I would rather finish with a quote that in vain have you acquired knowledge if you have not imparted it to others. So let us share and improve ourselves. Wish you all success and good luck. Thank you, Manada.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite George Bishop Jr., Senior English Language Specialist from U.S. Department of State, to address the English fraternity.
Thank you all. Thank you to the Registrar for coming this afternoon. Thank you for the U.S. Embassy in New Delhi for hosting my visit here. Thank you to the Commissioner of Collegiate Education also for hosting this program, and thank you to the university for letting us have the training here. And thank you to all the organizers for doing such a great job, and thank you finally to the teachers who I know you traveled a long way for this workshop, and so I appreciate that. I'll keep my remarks very, very short because it's been a long day. We've been here since 9:30 this morning. So I think we're all ready to go back to our homes. But I have to say, I'm very impressed by your energy and your enthusiasm. It's been 3 days of non-stop work, hasn't it? Yes. Yeah, and they've been very enthusiastic and very energetic. I hope all of the batches are as enthusiastic and as eager as you are. And as I said earlier, this training, it's only as good as how you make it. If you forget it now, when you go back to your colleges, then this has just been just an entertaining 3 days. But we want it to be more than that. We want you to try to practice these activities when you go back to your colleges, in your classrooms, and in the JKCs. Try them. Try a few, see if they work. I think you'll be happy with the results. And then also I would ask you to try to stay in touch with each other, because this is just the first step. You now are resource persons yourself. So don't keep all of these activities and knowledge to yourself. I hope that you will share them with your colleagues back at your colleges. Don't be selfish with these techniques. You can share them with the other teachers at your colleges. And hopefully we can organize some way to stay in touch with these lectures so that we can support them now as they go back to the JKCs. And we can find out some way to monitor the results. And I would like to hear feedback from you too. Is it working? Did you try pair work? Did it work? Sure. There's my email. If you have any questions or feedback, I'm happy to hear from you. Remember the one thing we said, I think on the first day, what was the motto? Teach us, no, tell us we forget. Show us we remember, and all us we learn. So I hope you have all learned something in this workshop, and that you'll take these skills back to your students at your colleges. So thank you very much, and good luck to you all. Thank you.
May I now invite Ms. Nirmala Rode, Academic Officer, Commissioner of College Education, to address the gathering.
George Bishop, I don't think I have anything to say and you have anything to listen. I just want to know whether you're happy, you have anything to take home from here after this 3-day workshop. Do you have anything to take home? Yes? Lots? Yes. Then I think I'm successful in all my struggles. And morning when I was attending the workshop on the theme of share, what is that? The most difficult experience that you faced recently. Worst? Most. Yeah. So the organizing this workshop was the most toughest task in front of me. But the end of it, I can say that I have learned. Now I'm empowered, I am equipped. I can do after this. Thank you so much to the Vice Chancellor, to the Registrar, to the Rector, though he's not amidst us. My sincere thanks to Hema ma'am and also Anand Naidu sir for listening all my tantrums, my naggings, my complaints, my shoutings. Thank you ma'am. We could pull out things and could make your stay comfortable and take back home, go back home with sweet memories, and please come back to us with what you're doing in your colleges, with what you have learned from George Bishop. Of course, I can't forget thanking my team here, Pankaja, Usharani, Vishnu, and of course my colleague Anil Kumar. Thank you very much.
May I now invite Dr. Farida Begum, lecturer in English, KVR Government College, Autonomous Kannur, to give feedback on the 3-day workshop.
A very good afternoon to you all. Honorable dignitaries on the days and off the days. Already my friend Akhtar Banu has presented very nicely in a bird's eye view the 3-day workshop. What I just can think is when Usha asked me to speak something about, I could scribble a free verse on Mr. George Bishop. May I be permitted to say, sir? Sure.
If it's not too long.
Oh George Bishop, by your CLT workshop, we are warmed up. Your anchored step-by-step instructions, TPS techniques, pair work patterns, group work tips developed our overall discourse. Discriminations between hard and soft skills enhance our communication skills. Do's and do nots of job interviews open n-numbered job avenues. Your authentic and meaningful classroom activities promoted language learning among us. And finally, improved our classroom performance. I can just put you in a nutshell, sir. A teacher can improve hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning. Teacher has 3 loves: love of learning, love of learners, and the love of bringing the first 2 loves together. So you are a great teacher, great trainer, great master, great human being. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Mr. George, may I now invite Sri Vishwanath sir, GDC Man Kadapa, to please give the feedback.
As you know, brevity is the soul of it. I don't want to take much of your time. Most of you are in home calling mood because almost exactly 3 days, I think so. But here, let me at the outset, and I must be beholden to the academic council officers. Here we have present here Anil Kumar sir and Vimala Roda madam for initiating this kind of 3-day program for us. Here I feel we have developed our skills also, and at the same time it is a chance for us to hone best skills, because our students almost know something about parched skills. We have learned from George Bishop this kind of special skills. I say that George Bishop's presence here is a one treat, in one sense that teaching is a very difficult. Teaching is an art that one has to believe. Teachers should develop that kind of art to impress students. That I have learned from George Bishop. That is number 1, passion for teaching, and number 2, patience, and number 3 is pursuance. How to pursue the students, how to convince. We can say many things, but at the same time, what we have to teach should be very lively and absorbing, and we must make students involved. That we have observed 3 days, but Dr. Bishop sir involved us like small kids. We have almost involved like small kids and behave like kids also sometimes, chatting in the middle and making some comments. And the second read, I must be grateful to Hema madam, especially food court. Whenever we go, even in marriages, our people don't invite like this. Even they don't inquire. Madam, whenever you go there, no sir, here is hot, here is sweet. You take sugarless coffee. All items are here. So this kind of, food making we never had. I attended many national and international seminars and workshops where I didn't have this kind of feeling. Now, were it be for 1 week, we could not walk even to bus station, even to take the bus. So really, this program is marvelous, and for excellence, once again, I am grateful to Master George Bishop for his fine guidance that one has to emulate. Thank you, one and all.
Back. When I now invite Professor M. Devarajulu, Registrar, to felicitate George Bishop.
Sir, close out.
I know, you don't know.
really honored, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Right, sir? ब्रह्मांडे नास्ति किंचन वेंकटाद्रि समस्थानं ब्रह्मांडे नास्ति किंचन वेंकटेश समो देवा वेंकटेश समो देवा न भूतो न भविष्यति वेंकटेश समो देवा न भूतो न भविष्यति Department of History to felicitate Dr. P. Anil Kumar, Academic Officer, CPE. Sir, please. Admission certificate. May I now request George Bishop to please give away certificates to the participants. Appreciate Mr. Devarajulu, Registrar of this University. B. Trinity.
Usha madam asked him to say one. Say one. Narayana.
Next is J. Venkateshwar.
You know the order, right?
J. Venkateshwar, M. Gurudeva, P. C. Lakshmi Kanta, P. Narayana,
Your beloved participants.
Dr. K. Rajni, Dr. T. Malati Gabriel, G. Babu Singh. Malati Gabriel and later Babu Singh.
Yes. Yes, yes. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Feeling good. German. Good luck.
K. Radhika,
Congratulations. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Srimati C. Padmalata,
Thank you, sir.
Dr. J. Sridevi,
Congratulations. Thank you for your song, man. That was lovely. Lovely. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations. You're welcome. Congratulations. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming. Devi, congratulations. Thank you. Right on.
Next.
raise your hand.
Yes, of course. Yeah. That's right. Nice to have you in the class. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Oh, last but not least. Madam. Thank you. Ravi Prakash. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Rajesh Shekhar. Yeah. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Arita. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Okay. Thank you.
Please, George.
There you
Please say
are.
her name, sir.
No, I cannot say her name. Subarajam.
Yes.
Subarajam.
You got it.
Madam. Thank you, ma'am. Sridevi. Madam. Thank you.
I don't know whether my teacher gives me certificate. This is for Jyola today for all her efforts.
For you,
And she said with us,
congratulations.
Anil sir, I didn't know my teacher would recognize me as a student. Of course, you are there, madam, for 3 long days. Anil, this is for Anil.
And you get a certificate too. Everybody gets a certificate. Thanks for all your help. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'd like to say thanks to our trainer who was terrific. In fact, he is terrific. He said once he was terrible, but it's true that he is a terrific teacher. I reiterate, he is a terrific teacher and he made us terrific. I think so. Tomorrow when we go to our college and we train our students, they'll say this.
Make them terrific.
Yes. And my thanks are due to Professor Devraju sir and then
Yeah, for a moment, shall we listen to her without mind she's struggling?
Vimla madam and Anil sir for making us trained. And also first of all I congratulate ACCE for organizing such a fabulous program wherein we got trained. And last but not least, I would like to thank Professor Anand Naidu sir and Professor Hema ma'am for organizing such a great workshop. The food was so good and delicious that we cannot forget. And the trainings are important. Like myself, Bishop sir has imparted on us is rather unforgettable. As participants, we all had a great time. I also thank you. I thank print and electronic media for giving such a great coverage. And last, one and all, I thank you for being patient, for being perseverant, to hear everything. Thank you, one and all.